Okay, so welcome to my filming area. See my very fancy setups. All right, here we go. All right, so the first trick is being able to shut the door. All right, door is shut, you lock the door. So no partner accidentally comes in and destroys the lighting setup, etc. Next, you take the rock lamp and you place it on the very high-tech toilet. There it is. You turn it on. Voila. You turn off the lights. And here you go. You got that? And then at my feet, I have a string of purple lights. And you may be wondering, what is this for? Well, it has a purpose. But you gotta scoot it back a little bit. Make sure everything's all aligned. Okay. All right, so you see that? This fancy light changer sits on top of a toilet roll to give it a little height. Although, truthfully, I've been holding this right under my chin as I've been filming, or I balance it here on the sink. Oh, well, I don't do that. I balance it here on the sink and then just have more like ambient instead of like wow color. It's like, oh, there's flashing colors in the background. Okay, and then here we go. And then this is the sunset lamp. So I have this one going like this. So then this lamp over here provides just a little bit of extra light. And then behind me, this is just my shower curtain. I have one string of vines. Sometimes I use two. Today I didn't want to get down the other one because it's attached to the wall. But this is when I step and film from this side, you know, this is kind of the look that we have going on. And it looks pretty dang good, right? And then you add like the rave light in there. Whoop, whoop. You add the rave light in there and you'll see what you see in my videos with the Fey Rave tag that I created. And yeah, so this is what I do. All of this is attached to a cube. So these two lights are attached to this cube here. My ring light is here because I use the light on the ring light as well sometimes, but not all the time. And then this is the purple string lights. This is my phone charger because I need to keep it charged in while I'm filming. And yeah, that's it. And this is me. I'm just now finishing a DJ. Ooh, hello. Yeah, I'm just now finishing a DJ film night, and it was really fun. And this is a new makeup look. I'm enjoying quite a bit, so yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. I love you so much. Thank you. Please keep being yourselves. I love you.